4456 series digital phosphor oscilloscope has 6 models, ranging from 350 MHz to 1 GHz. It integrates the functionalities of an oscilloscope, a logic analyzer, a function generator, a protocol analyzer, and a digital voltmeter. The originally developed Daniel-acquired phosphor technique offers you fresh user experience. 4456 series digital phosphor oscilloscope integrates excellent functionalities and performance of oscilloscopes. The technical innovation of Ceyear can help engineers first to discover, locate, and analyze problems. 4456 series digital phosphor oscilloscope has faster waveform capture ability. 1 million waveform per second waveform capture rate, greatly improve glitches and contingency capture rate. To better check accidental event, the oscilloscope supports 256 levels in intensity gradation and 4 types of waveform color display modes, which are normal, inverted, temperature, and spectral. Lightness of color and color gradation change tell probability of event occurrence. This sample rate is up to 5G sample per second or 5,000 million sample per second. Memory depth saves each waveform detail. Different from traditional oscilloscopes, the series deploys Daniel-acquired phosphor technique, can still maintain faster refresh rate and response rate in maximum memory and slow time-based modes. 4456 series digital phosphor oscilloscope deploy more precise and flexible digital trigger technique. Enjoys lower trigger jitter, better trigger sensitivity, narrower pulse detection width, and a more precise channel delay calibration, all of which lay solid foundations for accurate single display and analysis. 4456 series digital phosphor oscilloscope is strong in analysis, including auto-parameter measurement and statistics, cursor measurement, arithmetic operation with equation editor, FFT analysis, histogram measurement, limit mask test, power measurement. It can meet your diversified measurement and analysis demands. The logic analyzer provides 16 logic channels, 2.5G sample per second sample rate, and 500 million bit memory depth. Can review actual sequential activity of any object under test. The arbitrary function generator can output more than 10 types of predefined waveforms with a bandwidth up to 25 MHz, including standard waveform, built-in waveform, and modulation waveform. Random waveform output up to 16,000 points can copy or storm the waveform from the waveform generator. You can also draw the output waveform on the capacitance touchscreen to quickly generate signals you want. The protocol analyzer supports auto-trigger, decoding and analysis of multiple protocols like I2C, SPI, CAN, LIN, FlexRay, RS-232, USB, audio, and 1553. Serial protocol test solutions are available for embedded, auto, computer, audio, and aviation, etc. 4456 series integrates a 4-digit digital voltmeter and a 6-digit frequency counter. The standard 10.4-inch capacitance touchscreen can perform waveform scaling and movement fastly, which makes your operation easy and convenient. One-key zeroing design enables zeroing at horizontal, vertical, and trigger positions, which simplifies your operation. The pop-up virtual keyboard speeds up your input. 4456 series support passive voltage probes, high-voltage single-ended probes, high-voltage differential probes, and current probes, etc. to meet your various test requirements. To know more about our oscilloscopes, please visit at http://en.ceyear.com.